Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to do Tunisian crochet with a regular crochet hook. So let's get started. This is a Tunisian crochet hook. It has the regular hook on the end, a very long shaft, and a little stopper here at the end. So if you're doing a large project in Tunisian crochet, you could use a Tunisian crochet hook. But today I'm going to show you how to do Tunisian crochet with a regular crochet hook. Start with a slip knot and work any number of chain stitches. So I've started with 8. In the second stitch from the hook, pull up a loop, and then pull up a loop in each of the stitches all the way across the row. Two, 4, 6, 8 stitches. Now I'm going to work back across the row. Pick up the yarn and pull it through 2 loops. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. Continue across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. Now I'm going to work back. And in here, you can see these lines, straight lines up. You're going to go between those lines and pick up a loop. Go between the next 2 lines, there and there, pick up a loop. So find the hole again between those 2, pick up a loop. And you'll do that all the way across the row. Now when you get to the end of the row, you're going to have 2 loops there. Go right behind that one and pick up a loop. 2, 4, 6, 8. So now you'll pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pull through 2, and there you go. There's your second row of Tunisian crochet. So we're going to do the next row again. There's your 2 vertical lines. Pull up a loop between the next 2 vertical lines, and continue across the row. When you get to the end of the row, find those 2 vertical lines and pull up a loop. And you will have the same number of stitches on your hook, 2, 4, 6, 8. And you'll just repeat that until your work is as long as you need it. And there's how it will look after you have a few rows done. And so now that you know how to do Tunisian crochet, you can very easily work a headband by just working as many rows as you need to wrap around the head.